Today's video, I'm bringing you 10 minutes of cleaning motivation. I needed to organize and get rid of a lot of things, so I'll be showing you what all I did to get that done. Before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is in collab with Kimberly. Her channel is Home with Kimberly. She does the same style videos as I do. She does cleaning, lifestyle, and motherhood videos. Kimberly is a mama of 2 kiddos, a son and daughter just like me, and her home is so beautiful. She has the best style, so definitely go check out her channel after this video. Now let's go ahead and jump into it.
Something about you feels so special, pretty up from the minute that I met you.
I went through my daughter's clothes and I took out what she grew out of to donate or to throw away.
Smoking outside, trying to get your attention. You make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Smooth talker under pressure, sweaty palms ain't making it much better.
My son's drawers got so bad, so it took me a while to sort through all of his. I also took a lot of his clothes that needed hung up and put them back on hangers.
Just met the other night, but I can't get you off my mind.
Most days when I clean up the kids' rooms, I just shove all of their toys into bins so they get super unorganized. Every couple of weeks, I'll go through all the bins and sort the toys where they belong. I also donated some old toys that the kids grew out of. In my living room, I do the same thing and just throw toys that are scattered throughout the house into this one bin. Every week or so, I dump out all the toys and sort through them. This method works so good for me and allows my house to stay looking really tidy throughout the week.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go.
I do aim for every day is to make my bed. It only takes a couple minutes and makes our room look 100% better. dishwasher, but I still always end up washing dishes by hand every day since I already have soapy water from washing my baby's bottles. I typically do 1 or 2 loads of laundry a day. This helps me from getting overwhelmed like I used to get on laundry days, which would take me seriously all day long.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. That's why I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now.
Lastly, I straightened up my kids' super messy play area off of our deck.
On repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my spine.
I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and got some motivation to get some stuff done as well. Don't forget to check out Kimberly's channel and her cleaning video. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.